we've been able to say we need a skill at this point in time, and because we have the flexible skills programme, we can straight away go and get it.
IQ Endoscopes is a medical device manufacturer building flexible single-use endoscopes for the improved provision of endoscopy.
Being a small company can sometimes be hard to attract certain levels of experience and talent within the business.
Mae'r busnes wedi tyfu gymaint ers I ni ddechrau yma 4 blynedd yn ôl. Dechreuodd fel syniad syml o wella'r ddarpariaeth endoscopi, ac nawr mae wedi esblygu I fod yn fusnes cwbl-weithredol.
IQE is a really exciting startup organisation. We are about to place our first medical device onto the UK market. We've utilised the Flexible Skills programme in many different areas within the business.
When it comes to training, so far I've undergone COSH assessment training, which enables me to sort of manage and maintain all the hazardous substances that we use in the lab. That's kind of just further developed my understanding of risk and risk management. The training's provided me with numerous opportunities to grow within my role. I'm now managing all the hazardous substances that we use, ensuring the lab safety handbook is consistently up to date, and it's just kind of made the lab a much safer and more effective place to work. I wouldn't have had those skills otherwise if I hadn't gone on the training.
Mae'n rhaid I ni wneud yn siŵr bod y sgiliau cywir gyda ni.
We've been able to offer people additional training that has then meant we've covered a real skill gap and a real need within the business at a preemptive point in time before it's become a problem.
Mae'r rhaglen hefyd wedi helpu I ni gadw staff, ac mae'r staff yn teimlo bod gwerth gyda nhw o fewn y busnes.
Being able to know that we have a pot of money that we can apply to individuals at the point in time that they need it, but also that we've been able to allow people to request things that they've wanted, that's incredibly engaging.
Byddwn yn bendant yn ei argymell. Does dim byd i'w golli.
There's a fantastic opportunity there to gain some funding that can be incredibly beneficial for small businesses in South Wales.
Bydd Busnes Cymru yn gallu helpu chi I ddod o hyd I hyfforddi sy'n siwtio'ch busnes.
I think that everybody should reach out, have a conversation, see how it could benefit their business.